थांनाय बिसिनि हायके ताकलाइबो हायनो हाय हासेनि खरकबा मंगनां आथुकिरि रकनो बरम बलाइतै सकात याफारनाय रांजाक रिचाक फाउन्डेशन बुकुक तरुबाला देबरमानो रोजाकनाय इसिरि सेंथुमा रांजाक रिचाक सकात ताकुक हरिपूर्ण जमातियानो रोजाकनाय रायकचाक रायकसम रांजाक रिचाक सकात ताकुक हरिपुत देबरमानो रोजाकनाय सुदन देबरमा रांजाक रिचाक सकात बुकुक शुक्लारानी देबरमानो रोजाकनाय अलिन्द्रलाल त्रिपुरा रांजाक रिचाक सकात ताकुक उत्पल देबरमानो रोजाकनाय सामलाल देबरमा रांजाक रिचाक सकात काराकसाल सानजा जराबो राजाखर आगलिबो काइसा ककथुम बान्दारिंगै अ साकलाय मुंरखा रांजाक रिचाक फाउन्डेशननि आचुकफां चन्द्रकान्त मुरासिं
abno our Sokat chum Khorokbano yafangnai chini panel of judges tongo o Khorokbano Rwnai bagoi chini je abo pasta mane separate field kubun abo besebo abo rujangnai samungni bagoi nge kaisa Khoroksano poso ongo khlenan bagoi sainan bagoi Khorokthamni ekta chini amjongnai rok tongo bolongno sai rukha sao chung prize toiman chung alo tam chini ong tong field tong chini alo ongkha nong burui ham kraini field tongo nge thungmung ni bagi kaisa field chini literature aro prose ni bagi kaisa kothoma nge kothomayung aborok suinai rong ni bagoi koglob ni bagoi kubun khero jangnai chini hukumuni bagoi kubun khero jangnai aike chung abo chonglai aike Khorokbano Rwnai bagoi tabuk chung yago chini bomung sopela ha isiri sengthungma bini mungi kaisa Sokat isiri sengthungma ka chung saiman abo sajago chini kobo sajago laiboma sajago je bongkha chini Tripura rajyono buibai chobao thangai Tripura rajyono rokha khlaika ahai jola thangka nge belai Sengkurung belai fangrang belai chini hano hamjang nai o isiri boni bagi bini mongoi chung je burui hamkrani bagi je samungtangnai bono chung o Sokat yafaru taklai isiri sengtungma Rangchak Richak Sokat abo mannai chini burui hamkrani bagi samungtangkurung Torubala Deborma bol samungmukrung sini ko bono borok kabang mano sini ake obahino chung chini raikachak raikosom chung sebano donnoman koni senapoti tongani borok chini Tripura rajyono hano segnani bagai abrubo choba nanglaika fatani borok phaika borok chini Tripura rajyono rokha klaika gumoti timao banrok theoi fatani je choba nangnai rongno kochokrui rohoka ailo chung saimana abo chini laibumani kogrok enke o raikachak raikosom ni mungoi je Sokat abongkha thungmung ni bagoi taklai o Sokat yafar janai chini belaino jala thungnai rongno football thungnai rongno tisai tumnai borongno phurungnai fatar logo fataro talang bini team boro gotton khlai fatar logo talangoi borongno jitibiti pheka ahai chini horipurno jomatia belai bumungrang bo engke taklai horipurno jomatia chini Rangchak Richak je Rangchak Richak Sokat thungmungni bagi abo bomannai aboni holo chini Sokat ongkha kok borok bai je kothoma suinai o field ni bagoi abongkha Sudurno Debormani mungoi Sudurno Deborma Rangchak Richak Sokat abo taklai yafar jangnai chini kothoma Swikwrwng Horipodo Debormano bobu belai kothoma suinani kurung bini kothomani bijab rok okrini ongkorka nge bono o Sokat yafarmani chung belai khatung khaja matongkha abo hai koglobni bagoi chung Sokat yafarnai taklai Samlal Debormani mungoi Sokat khlaijak Samlal Deborma nijibo bo baithangbo koglob suinani kurung tongmani haidi bagoi bini mungoi Samlal Deborma Rangchak Richak Sokat taklai abo mannai koglop kurung Utpol Deborma bijab kabangma tongo bini nge boni bagoi bono sainaka amjongnai ro abo haino chung hukumuni bagoi gersamung mosamung abo haitino chini je Olindolal Tripura tongmani chini kok borongno belai ke bini sinimungni bagai bo asukke samung tamni thangka bo chini kogno tui bo asukke dedicated tongmani chini je hukumono tui bini samung kubangma samung tamni thangka aboni bagai bini mungui olindolal Tripura Rangchak Richak Sokat chung abno rulayo taklai o Sokat no mannai belai samung Khorang chini kok borok sanai rok ni bisingo jotobai sinijak sanan thanga anglai Swikwrwng de Burma bo hukumoni bagi je Sokat abo taknai mannai beskani 7 tarik Februari 7 tarik o pannano chengsai Rwnai Chini Hasteni manganang Deputy Chief Minister Jishnu de Burma tai abohai nograi okrang ni manjak phainai Tripura High Court ni borom ganang justice masang subhasis tola patro karo nograi motomongi manjak phainai chini Thwngkwrwng jotobai sinijak Sottoranjan Dev Burma abohai do bono lamsogoi jotono kok sanai chini je Rangchak Richak ni tangpang Sojol Kumar Dev Burma olo tongani loge tongo Sojol Kumar Dev Burma abohai do paithago jotono hamba yaphaloi kok narogano ani loge tongani yagra phaijing chini Rangchak Richak Foundation ni Vice President Subhash Dev Burma chung haike o pandano hohom dodom Rangchak Richak panda Rangchak Richak Sokat ni panda chung khlainan bagoi saktalai tongo aro chung Sokat yafarmani ulo hai panda kisah hukum panda resab lainai musalai chini Rangchak Richak or samnai kwangma tongo musalai tongo borokno moloto aro borok resab lainai chini guest je tongnai rok puruskar mannai rok bo jotono Khorang haike borok o salo Sottoranjan Dev Burma resabnai Swikwrwng Dev Burma resabnai Torubala Dev Burma Gautam Dev Burma Bishwanath Dev Burma Usha Dev Burma jotono chini Rangchak Richak mang borok o salo sabi khana ronai aro ke abuni loge chung kisa ango belai nangmani chini bijab manto gya bazar rogo ke chung o salo Sukanto Academy chung khlaine অনুষ্ঠান abuni je noksaro fatar phaising bijab kok borok ni je bijab kabangma je chini suinai rok jotoni bijab chung collection khlai tongo aro chung phulungnai o bijab no sabani tam bijab tong aro jara painani mosunglai jotono bijab paina malai aro
kokthum padao manjaka mothani tangphang engineer Sojol Dev Burma mothani vice president Subhash Dev Burma tei mothani executive member Madhusudan Dev Burma akosong yang tai khaksa phaising kokthum pandao koksana thangri mothani tangphang engineer Sojol Dev Burma saka phainai 7 February 2020 salmariwo Agotla Sukanto Academy ulwa jijak pandao pandani narwai okra Hasteni deputy CM Jishnu Dev Burma ni yaktei yafarjaknai borokno Sokat pandao narwai motamangi manjaknai Tripura High Court ni justice Subhasis Tolapatro Rokno Sottoranjan Dev Burma akasong hanai.
On behalf of Rangchak Richak Foundations, I would like to inform you that we are going to organize our second Rangchak Richak Sokat 2021 distribution ceremony on 7th February 2021 at Sukanto Academy. The program will start at 4 p.m. This year we are going to distribute 5 different awards in 5 different categories, and all this award has been recommended by panel of judges, and I'll share the name of award and the name of awardee also. The first is series Sengthungma Rangchak Richak Sokat. It's for women empowerment and in our Kokborok Buri Hamkarai. And this award goes in favor of Torubala Dev Burma, Madam Torubala Dev Burma, for her outstanding performance in the field of women empowerment. We know very well that Torubala Dev Burma is having quality of anchoring, quality of that singing, and to organize the little girls to contribute the various activity of our society, and that's why the Ishiri Sengtungma Award goes in favor of Torubala Deborma. The second prize, Rangchak, Rangchak, Richak, Sokat, that is for sports, and this award goes in favor of the football coach, the famous football coach of Tripura, Hari Purna Jamatia. He belongs to that Muhorpara Telemura area, and we know very well that for his outstanding performance and for his hard labor in football has reached in such a beautiful places in all India level, and here in Tripura also. And if I am not mistaken, I think under 17 just few years back also we have record not with me now. The Tripura won the champion prize in girls under 17, and that is the contribution of Coach Haripurna Jamatia, and that's why this award goes in favor of Haripurna Jamatia. Apart that, he has lots of contribution also in sports. Number 3, Sudhanno Deborma Rangchak Sokat, that is for prose in literature, and this award goes in favor of Haripodo Deborma for his outstanding performance in prose in Khorokba literature. 4th prize, Olindroral Tripura Rangchak Richak Sokat, that is for culture, and this prize goes in favor of Madam Sukla Rani Deborma for his outstanding performance in Khorokba singing Khorokba field. She has many songs, very famous songs she has, and that's why our the panel of judges has chosen her name for this Olindroral Tripura Rangchak Richak Sokat. The 5th one, Samlal Deborma Rangchak Richak Sokat, this is for poetry in Khorokba literature. This prize goes in favor of Utpal Deborma, Khorokba expert Utpal Deborma. And also I would like to share each award comprises a personalized memento and rupees 7,000 each, and all these prizes will be handed over in a befitting manner by our distinguished guests. And also I'd like to share you all that in this program, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Tripura, Sri Jishnu Dev Bharma, has given his consent to be present as inaugurator, and Honorable Justice Sri Subhashish Talapatra of Tripura High Court as chief guest, Sri Swikwrwng Dev Bharma, eminent singer, as guest of honor, will present in this program. With them, there will be our President Sri Chandrakanta Morashing in that program. At the end of this program, there will be a cultural show that is Rangchakni Risapmung Musamung. Will be presented by renowned singers, and there will be singer Gautam Deborma, Vishwanath Deborma, Usha Deborma, and apart them there will be a special attraction, and for that there will be prominent singer Sri Swikwrwng Deborma, our award, Madam Sukla Rani Deborma, and Madam Torubala Deborma. Along with award distribution, there will be a Khorokba book exhibition come sale also, and there will be given spot 10% discount for purchasers. On account of this marvelous arrangement, I would like to request to all for kind cooperations for a grand success of this program.
Pandawa Hasteni joto Lobkwrwng phaiman jaknani bagui kobongna rkha Rangchak Richak Foundation ni tangphang engineer Sojal Deborma, Raja Khor agulini simi Probini Kokthum Chini Khorang.